This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Barbara Thomas. Finally, a sought-after Plantation Villa is available in downtown Hiawassee. This charming open floor plan offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a nice-sized den. Featuring solid hardwood flooring, crown molding, a walk-in shower, and a custom jetted tub with newer fixtures. High-end gas logs with direct vent, thermostat controlled. Fenced-in backyard with raised garden beds. 1-car garage with ample attic storage. Walk to downtown for your shopping, library, Lake Chatuge, and Mayor's Park. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Thomas at 706-896-3132.